To ask which one someone prefers, you say either J am fer a charlat or J and che a charlat, depending on whether the object referred to is grammatically masculine or feminine.
You will also hear co used instead of J. For example, co am fer a charlat. Which one do you prefer?
Co am fer a charlat, Alice. Am fian Jarak shell, he am fian gelf.
Charlaim am fer Jarak am Beaujolais.
Co am fer a charlat tain challam.
Oh, Charlaumsa am fer gelf, am peas posted.
Jane che charlat the herish.
Charlimsa and Jalavik. Is tellum the dahan. Jane che charlat tain.
Oh, Charlam hing in Javor, a high glegur.
To ask what someone else prefers, you say J a charlish. What does he prefer? J a charlish. J a charlish or J a charlea. What does she prefer? J a charlea. J a charlea.
Vil ústrengi geistach vi kjál.
Ha?
J charlish, kjál alabanach nja pop.
Charlish kjall alapanach. Ach stellish kjall pop kujach. Agus sharanach of hain. J charlisha.
Oh, charlish pop. Chatale kjál alabanach ichit.
To express strong dislike of something, you can say Chanulik me. Chanulik me. Chanulik me curry che. I can't stand hot curry.
To say you loathe or detest something, you say Isluaram. Isluaram. Isluaram kjol aharo art. I loathe music which is too loud.
In the following situations, listen for a velu kindjich. Are you sure?
Jack Carvincha.
Ganit me kiri en curry. Ganulik me curry che.
Even lo kindjachanish.
Ha, ganoriga ike ichit.
Could shing shears a Harold, hire art. Och a vami, ganjela art ichit. Could shears say, is what am kjál haro art. Oh, tarsht maha.
Until of an tie shell.
Chatel. Is sluram and dashin.
Che me yen na che shell.
Hai shin na shar. Can ik me shin?
A vil shiv kindjachanish.
Ha, ham ik glei kindjach.
Is luaram and dashin. I loathe that colour. Then the customer said, Can I hear me and tashin? I'll buy that one.
To ask someone what they would rather or prefer, you say J bjarlat. J bjarlat. The polite and plural form is J bjarleif.
To say what you would rather, you say bjarlum, followed by whatever it is you'd rather. For example, bjarlum a vi a gopper. I'd rather be working. Bjarlum a vi a gopper. Bjarlum a vi a gopper.
Bjarlum heen, Star Wars echking. I'd rather see Star Wars.
Dille de daadje shell challam.
Chatel. Berlem a via gopith.
J?
Berlem a via dash a gopith. Haro he.
Haro he. It's too hot.
Vesh niet al jeetje trin en boys.
Berlem heen Star Wars eichting.
Wil u tientjoch?
Ha, Jane for a berle teen.
Gaan je lekker chiffer, vers en bie.
Jane fer a biarlacht heen. Which one would you prefer? And the reply was, Chanjele kujiffer, fer some be. It doesn't matter. Anyone.
To say you would prefer one thing to another, or that you would rather one thing than another, you say, for example, Biarlum and che yarak, na and che wanye. I'd prefer the red one to the green one. Biarlum and che yarak, na and che wanye. Biarlum and che yarak, na and che wanye.
Biarlum shachkaj ein na coata. I'd rather get a jacket than a coat.
Evadi, Jane caught a Charlotte. Bjarlam shachka jain na kote. Gleva ha, yevshin shachkach. Jema yen na che uanye. Bjarlam en che yerak na en che uanye. En che yerak, a velo kinjach. Ha, Charla mishin.
In the round-up conversation, a teacher is asking a class what games they prefer. Listen for J in game a Charlotte a chluich. What game do you prefer to play?
A rapperst, J Charlotte, imeng na balkosje.
Sherlem baul kasha.
Agus usse a vairat, Jane game a Charlotte so chluich. Is tellem golf ach Charlam squash. J Charlotte hang arsted.
Chanulik misje squash sheetjed. Ach stillem snaaf.
En tallecht se squash elling.
Slu aram squash. Der looms a baul kasha chloich.
Agus usse Isabel. J Berlet a chluich. Balkosje na hockey. Bjarlam hockey na balkosje.
Fáilte go earned daich it's a hern. Unit 41. In this unit, we'll be looking at how to make comparisons. The word for good is ma. To say or ask if something is better, you use nashar. Nashar. A welchen a coint nashar? Does that look better?
To say that something is better, you say Hashin nashar. That's better.
To say something is better than something else, you use nashar na. Han che gaum, nashar na and che gu. The brown one is better than the black one. In the next scene, listen for ha vrikish gaun, nashar na and che gu. The brown trousers are better than the black ones.
Ha vrikish gaum na shern an J gu. Via horsten J gaum.
Vil shinje kayat na sher.
Oh ha shing na share arsted.
Hashin fatten na shar.
Hashin fatta nashar. That's much better. Hashin fatta nashar. Hashin fatta nashar.
The word for bad is donna. To say or ask if something is worse, you use nasmissa. Nasmissa. A welchen nasmissa. Is that worse?
Kimera ha elang.
Chanjela nas misse va eiche horstaleke.
Oh, a shin ma. Ha mi dochas gebia na sher.
Chanjele nasmissa. He's not any worse.
The word for cheap or inexpensive is sur. To say or ask if something is cheaper, you use nas sure. Nas sure. Ha yn ygyn sio nes sŵre. These ones are cheaper.
The word for dear or expensive is duur. To say or ask if something is dearer, you use nas dure. Nas dure. Han at elle nas dure. The other hat is dearer.
To say something is cheaper than something else, you use nes sŵre na. Han y brogan sio nes sŵre na yn ygyn sin. These shoes are cheaper than those ones.
To say something is dearer than something else, you use nas dure na. Han cheshin nas dure na and che yarak. That one is dearer than the red one.
Han y brogan sin y kaint ma.
Ha, a chaiad gleigur han jöring sio nes sŵre.
Cha tyl am at sin nidjyd. Je me ein at sio.
Siawl o mat sio. Je hawas mwynach y gloreen. Chan yeli donne. A chan chesyn nes dure na'n cheyarak. Haw kerst. Hai gymanas dure.
Hai gumma nes dure. It's much dearer. Hai gumma nes dure. Hai gumma nes dure.